Hey folks, Mr. McStache, welcome to the Myrtle Beach Pelicans Stadium.
Oh, you didn't know?
Hey folks, Mr. McStache, and in case you didn't know, we're in Myrtle Beach, which Myrtle Beach is the putt-putt capital of America. Did you know that? Now you do. Well, I am here with Mrs.
No?
Oh, you didn't know? I'm here with Mr. Mrs. McStache, and when you're in the putt-putt capital world, what do? You go to a ball game. We're here watching the Myrtle Beach Pelicans. I keep wanting to say Penguins. They're the Pelicans. And why are we here? We're here because out there somewhere, right in that area, is BD Ryder. And
Actually, I think he's standing right over there. Look, he's waving at me.
wait. Oh, there we go. We see the wave. We see the wave. There is BD Ryder. And we will catch him scraping dirt or something later on today. Stay tuned.
Second base.
Yeah, the tall one in the middle. Look at that speed. Look at that precision. Look at that boy go. He makes a turn at third base. Heading back the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Look at the stride on that guy.
The Penguins win! The Penguins win! After a great game of baseball, the dog ran the bases, we all cheered, we had some fun, and there was fireworks. Great ending to a great night. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to check out our Patreon. For as little as $1 a month, you can help out the local veterans like these heroes right here. As always, love on your family. Check on a buddy. When you get back out there, keep it rubber side down. We'll see you in the next one.